guys, I'm at WestJet Lounge, feeding my face with grapes. These grapes are so sweet. Guys, I'm tired. I have not eaten. I have not slept all night. I was up all day, all night. So now I'm exhausted. Tired.
Please remember that mask must be worn at all times.
Guys, this is the Bayfront Villa. It's a really nice place in Jamaica. And this is one of my favorite spots. Outdoor. Along your ear. I can't wait to get outdoors, guys. Outside is my favorite spot to chill. Favorite spot to chill out. Look at the mountains. As I'm so excited. I'm in Jamaica. Jamaica land we. I love the weather, the food, not having to put up with snow and sliding, and I just love Jamaica, guys. The cold is not made for me. No way. Look outdoor at the kitchen. This place is really nice. And we got patty, and there's coconut water and KFC. And guess what, guys? I tried. Oh, here it is. There it is. I tried this for the first time, and it is so refreshing. It's refreshing. See, piece of chicken left. We ate last night. And that's patty left. I'm gonna warm some of this tasty patty up. And I can't wait to get my meatloaf. Guys, I'm in Jamaica. And these are the things I love. The coconut water. I'm gonna have a lot of that. So guys, Jamaica, Jamaica. Oh my God, this is what I love, guys. This is what I miss and love about Jamaica. You get up in the morning, the sun is shining, even though there are days when we have rainy days. The sun is shining, and what else? You know, you're looking at the palm tree, and it's just mind-blowing, breathtaking, just a nice feeling. Jamaica. I'm back on the soil again. I'm in JA. And it feels good. Okay, and I'm about to eat. So guys, here I have my patty, my cornbread, and my minty. I'm about to eat. Eating time. My mint tea is hot, guys. That's good. Guys, it's probably, what, a day and a half since I had something hot to drink. The day before coming to Jamaica, I haven't slept. I did not sleep the whole day, whole night. Tasty patty. But I'm looking forward to getting my meatloaf. And also, I want to go to Devon House. I'll get my cornbread. Miss Birdie. Miss Birdie cornbread. I'll let you know. I'm going to taste it and let you know what I think about it. Birdie cornbread. It's really good. It is good with the patty. I haven't had cornbread in long as well, guys. Tasty patty with Miss Birdie cornbread. And here's my minty. What I like about Jamaica, guys, a guy just passed. I think he's gonna be like working on doing gardening, and he was like, "Good morning." You know, that's one of the thing that I like about Jamaican. The Jamaican pass by and they're, well, most, like sometimes like the person probably won't say good morning, but you know, most of the time they would say good morning.